Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This is just a short one because my friend is going to pick this thing very soon. This is a bike ECU, it's from Honda Transalp, and the issue was that the bike was running on one cylinder, and when moving the wires near the ECU, then the cylinder came back, and I suspected a cracked joints, and it was it. I have to dremel out the casing, the hard plastic casing, and to then to remove the potting compound, and for sure the joints were cracked really good, and all of them were damaged. So I've ground out the lacquer on the PCB around the connections, and then soldered it back with a generous amount of the leaded solder. Now I'm just going to take some silicone and go a little back to waterproof state. It doesn't have to look nice, it just has to work. So thank you for watching and goodbye.